Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all how to change your Windows desktop wallpaper with just a single click using AutoHotkey. So let's get started. Let's start with installing AutoHotkey first. AutoHotkey is a free open source custom scripting language for Microsoft Windows, which can be downloaded from AutoHotkey.com. AutoHotkey is a great tool to automate tasks in any Windows application. Proceed with Express installation and exit the installation window. Please let me know in comment section if you face any problem in downloading or installing the software. Open your favorite text editor and copy the code. I have provided the code in description section. I recommend you to go through the code and learn, but for the sake of this tutorial, I have provided the working code. Please let me know in comment section if you have any problem or need any help regarding the code. The only main thing here is the keyboard shortcut mentioned here. #A here is same as pressing Windows and A key at the same time. You can change this shortcut to anything you like. Also, while saving the code, please take care to save the file name with a .ahk extension and save as all file types. Once you have done that, now right click on the file and click on Compile Script. I have downloaded all the pictures I want as my desktop background in JPG format in a folder. Let's get back to our script folder. The exe file generated here can be shared with your friends directly without the need of installing AutoHotkey on their computer. Double click on exe file and select the picture folder where you have kept all your images. It will generate an INI file which is used to store your folder name. Now the script will automatically refresh the wallpaper from your selected folder. Now you can simply change your wallpaper by pressing Windows plus A key from any screen to get a cool wallpaper changer with just a single click. I hope you have liked this video. Please support us by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel, as we will be uploading many cool short tutorials like this. Thank you guys for watching.